What's good, YouTube? It's that boy Beeb back with another video. Today we're about to go hit up the U-Pull. It's currently 1:48 in the PMs. We're waiting on Stinky to get here, cause you know that's the U-Pull guy right there. Go fuck with him on TikTok. Oh, I don't even know what his TikTok is. Technical difficulties, guys. 1 second, you know. We gotta go find this. We gotta go find this TikTok for you, bro. Alright. Look. Go give him a follow on the TikTok. Go get him to 400 followers. You feel me? Go support the local bean. You know? Like, oh wait, hold on. We'll find you a sneak peek real quick.
And with that, the 2021 season. And with that, the 2022 season. And with that, the 2023 season.
Damn. Alright, you guys gotta go watch his actual, like, go fuck with the TikTok and you guys can see everything, you know? We need to get the big puffer coat, you know? And we'll talk to Chapo real quick. So I know you guys like Chapo. I know you guys like Chapo in the vlogs. Come here, Chapo. Come here. Sit. Speak. 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 Good boy. There's a good boy. Speak. Good dog. You see that? The chopped dog? You know? So, yeah, buddy. We're waiting for this guy to get here. Fucking, I don't even know. I want to get parts for the truck, but I already fucked it up again, so bitch ain't running. Oh, you guys got to see an update on that. I'll show you guys that in a second. Come on, go upstairs, Chapo. Hey, come on. Let's go. Come on, go upstairs. Good boy. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm outside in the next clip showing you the truck. Alright, y'all. Look at that dirty bitch right there. So, this is it. Oh, damn, she needs air. You guys didn't see the wides that I got for her, so threw some wides on it. We threw that valance on there. All the headlights and the grill were all held up by zip ties, so we had to change these back brackets in here. I put this piece on. You can kind of see that it's not the full grill. Well, like, it obviously is the full grill, but that piece didn't come with that. I pulled the dents out over here for the most part. I mean, you can kind of see right here, but it's wet, so you're not really gonna see it that good. And then there was another dent on this other side right here. You can kind of see that. You can see that one more, but yeah, I mean, you know, $700 ship box. What do you expect? You feel me? I put some kicker speakers in here. We swapped the Apple CarPlay radio so we could watch YouTube off this bitch, you feel me? Check out the sticker, buddy. We fixed the crown bag. So yeah, it's coming together. We fixed the tail housing, but you know, I like driving in second gear. Wah, 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 wah. And the cross member is rusted out or some shit, so the transfer case starts jumping and then it'll be jumping and shit. Oh yeah, buddy. God damn. God damn, buddy. You're gonna make the neighbors hate me even more. Yeah, so we're hitting up U-Pull. It's my first time in the fucking SS.
We're gonna do this before
Oh yeah, that's legit. So I guess we're gonna get a steering wheel for the Cat Eye replica. So we got the volume controls on the steering wheel. You feel me?
We'll have the gas thing. We'll have everything.
Yeah, dude, I like this truck. I want that. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading, guys. I've been slacking. Alright, so we made it to the U-Pool. As you can see, we got this guy. Oh, look at the gas. It's freezing out here, bruh. So yeah, buddy, look.
You gotta grab a bolt for my dad's car too.
That. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, look. You wanna hop in the Transform Avenger? That thing's pretty cool, but the fenders are fucked, and they ain't even got no bumper. Oh, I got a truck for you guys. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Alright, I'll let you guys know when we find these parts. Alright, y'all. We have acquired a hood. As you can see behind us, it is a HD hood. Came off of that truck. It's the second to last one over there. It's a pretty nice hood. No rust. Even the under looks mint. Yeah, buddy, it's freezing out of this bitch though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look at that bumper. This is what we need right here. Oh, and it has the fog lights. Yeah, this is the one. But I feel like this grill is different. Oh yeah, because this is 2000. This is 06, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
I think this is the one where you get the...
Huh? I got a grill for you guys. Hey, I got you a grill, beeb. You want a grill? Here.
Thanks, Beeb.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Oh yeah, buddy. Coca-Cola in the engine bay gives her 10 more horsepower. Well, alright guys. I'll get with you when we get in the truck because it's cold out here and my hands are freezing. Alright guys. So, as you can see, my nose is red, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Habibi. Because it's cold as fuck out there. But we got our steering wheel. Hell yeah, buddy. Look, already I'm driving.
It's the mock-up steering.
Wow, 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 wow. Look at that 300. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, you guys like my steering wheel? No, I'm kidding. It ain't mine. It's that guy. Alright, bet. But yeah, guys, we're going to get some tacos because I'm pretty hungry. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Yeah. Fuck it. Listen, if you're trying to do, what does R&R mean again?
Retard and retard.
It sounds about right. Yeah, don't try to do this at home. This guy, he done switched the damn steering wheel and shit, and now fucking look. We took the radio out of my truck, that $100 shit box. That took this shit out of my truck. You heard the word, and we put it in here, and we hit the steering wheels, and it ain't working. But I got the interface, so it's not making any type of sense to me. And yeah, some of you guys might not know what this shit means, but fucking
It's fucked.
yeah. What Tino or fucking Tino? No, what Stinky said, bruh. It's fucked. Like, bro, are you serious right now? And then, look, we're over here watching the YouTube videos, trying to figure the shit out because, you know, YouTube's lit. Obviously, that's why I make the videos for you guys. You feel me? But this shit ain't making any sense. I'll let you guys know once we figure it out. But, like, bro, what the fuck? Oh.
Ah, buddy.
Damn.
I gotta give her some gas, dude.
She needs some gas. She ain't got no gas in it.
Really don't got no gas in it. I need to do those motion sensors.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Open the garage.
Oh shit. The fucking
I thought that was fucking oil. Like smoke. I was like, what the fuck? It's just cold.
It's the two smoke, buddy. Don't breathe that shit in. It's not good. Damn, the truck done smoked the bitch out. It didn't even do a burnout. I like these. These are sweet.
Let's see if it'll start back up.
Hell yeah, buddy. Well, we still didn't figure out the interface, so hit you guys up tomorrow. In the next clip, it will be tomorrow. All right. So I'll catch you guys then.
Go to 12th Street first since you're going this way.
That's where I was going. I was just gonna go in a big circle, you know.
You don't need to go in a big circle.
What do you? That's literally what I just did.
You go to Tall.
I went from Sashabaw all the way down here, turn left here. I'm gonna go to Toll, and then I'm gonna go from Toll to the bank. That's the next spot. Then from the bank to the dispo. You guys are gonna get a freaking doink chat today, guys. A fucking doink chat, buddy. You know? Yeah, look, we got 5 minutes of like some raw footage of straight up goofballness. Look, look, she got a robe on going in the fucking dispensary.
It's a fucking coat. It's a vintage coat. Go look it up.
Dog!
It ain't no robe.
Oh my gosh, man.
It's a black lamb coat.
Oh, made from a lamb. Even better.
Hey, if you guys eat it, I can wear it.
She does have a point. All right, so shit, are we about to get a bear rug?
No.
Yeah, you guys are witnessing me be a perfect driver. She doesn't think so.
No, slow down because you have to turn up here soon.
Ashton, Anita's son, I brought her credit to you guys. So our debt should be cleared. Have an amazing day, or no, amazing night, and a Merry Christmas. You feel me? Oh, check out that whip, dog. Damn, damn, damn.
I don't know what they told you, but you got me
No copyright. Got him. Ha ha. Ha ha. Nah, I'm just chatting shit, man. I'm chatting shit, bro. Nah, real shit though. It's, what is it?
Oh, turn that on there.
3 days after Christmas. Okay. And I know I said like maybe last clip or 2 clips ago that I was gonna see you guys at the dispensary. Well, shit.
It's right here.
No, it isn't. It's right here, under my seat. All right, we got blue Skittles. You see, blue Skittles. Jeter, 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 Jeter. Yeah, we got a Jeter because they're just fire, buddy. They're like some straight
I can't see.
gasoline pack. Yeah, buddy. I was actually thinking about having Mama Beeb do a doink chat with me, but like I didn't think she would do it. But I didn't think she was gonna get in the car with me after last video. So, but she still did, because you guys are gonna see it. Well, you already seen it, obviously. But yeah, bro. So drop it in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a doink chat from me and Mama Beeb. I feel like that'd be dope. I feel like you guys would enjoy that. I'm not gonna lie. All right, bro. Slow this bitch down. Slow this bitch the fuck down. What the fuck you got go, dude? You're doing federal speeds right now.
Okay. No, I'm not.
Whoa, that's not okay. It's not. You hear me? So, I don't really know what to talk about for real. I never really done a doink chat. I just like, you know, but yeah, look here. It's just coated in teeth, my boy. Alright, I got 7 seconds. Check that out. Boom. Oh yeah. What's good, YouTube? I just ate my steak. That shit was fire, boy. Fire, boy. This idiot right here, bro, is just driving in the turn lane like a fucking nuisance to the society when there was literally fucking open lanes this whole time. So like, it doesn't make any sense. I think they're wasted. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, now they're turning. Imagine they hit the gas station and they go, that'd be fucked. Yeah, fucking thank you guys for watching my video. It was probably a long one, but whatever. You guys be watching the shit, so you know, if you made it to this part of the video, you already know what to do, bro. Should I say it? Yeah, I gotta say it. Give the video a comment and subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, what's up? Really? Was my vape there? Cause I lost mine. Damn, it's probably under my seat then in my car. Alright. Hey, tell YouTube to fucking subscribe.
Huh?
Tell the YouTuber people to subscribe. You heard what Tino Bino said. Alright. Peace out.